Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling snore detection on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch screen to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, tap on the Settings cog. Scroll down the settings and tap Samsung Health. Scroll down the Samsung Health settings and tap on Snore Detection. Doing this will open the settings for snore detection on your phone. On your phone, tap the toggle to the right of Off to switch snore detection on. You can now choose between Always or Just Once. At the bottom here, you can read the instructions on how to best record your snoring. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.